Today I show you this socket set with swivel head, ratchet and handle from Parkside. This is a tool set. They had two versions of this and I picked up this version with it has some of these sockets that I might like to use, and especially here. And really I feel like someone needs to stop me from buying these sets of tools. But you know, whenever I need a tool, I can't really find it, so I have to maybe organize them better. Especially these are Torx socket sets, and then also the screwdriver sets. I'll show you the parts in a moment. So ergonomic ratchet handle with quick release and 270 degrees rotating handle. Okay, that's pretty good. And the socket extension, yeah, 50 nanometers. 50 nanometers, this is the power. And then it's two settings, working angle. Okay. That's the barcode. Model number and information here. Also the version here is 7/2025. OWIM Germany, or OWIM. They make tools for Lidl, or maybe it's Lidl, I'm not sure, but usually the tools from this brand, they are pretty good from what I've seen so far. And yeah, that's the code. Here is the information about what's inside this box here. So you have the Torx. I think these are Torx. I'm not sure exactly. Doesn't say Torx, so maybe they're not. Then there is this posi drive, Phillips slot, hex, and these are Torx here. So these are something else. I'm not sure what this one is. I'm not sure this one. I think it's these ones. For cars usually you have this kind of sockets, so they're good to have. I don't have any of the tool sets from before with the sets like this, and I've seen this type of screw in the car. And then you have this 1/4, a 1/4 inch. I think that is called a 1/4 inch. This one, and then there is like a screwdriver, and then there is this one adjustable, and this adapter or something, and the swivel. This is going to be pretty nice, and extension. And you get the wobble function like this, and it's two levels, tightening faster or less, depending on how much play and angle you want. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what's inside this box. There is one seal here and another seal here. Looks all good. Okay, I'll keep that sticker there. They're together. Nothing else in the box. What, there is no English on this thing? Really? Okay, there is the information here for Cyprus. This is what I care about here. It's OWIM, lidl.com.cy, and they have information for the warranty for each country. And you can scan the PDF online. I guess this is what matters the most from this paper. And this is the box. I like when they write like this, Parkside. Their tool boxes. They made a pretty good brand with the Parkside, Lidl. Okay, so I have to cut this thing to open it. Okay. So I guess it's gonna be like this. There is some piece of plastic. Oh. Okay, they look so fancy. Yeah, better to get rid of this thing. It smells like many tools, but they are a bit loose in here. But these are pretty nice. Okay, so they fit there. There's one fell out, the second one fell out. So this is a 1/4 inch flat slot screwdriver, Phillips or whatever it is. Don't know why this shows like that, but it's just a Phillips. Maybe it's this one here. These are Torx, different sizes of Torx, and I want to try to. So I get this tool here. Let's see if they fit that. Oh, that's nice. So you have this swivel action. That's really nice. Wow, I don't have anything like this. So this goes between CRV 6.3 millimeters. Nice swiveling action, and I can tighten this or loosen it for more action. I don't know actually what's doing here. The handle is pretty nice, small but really grippy, and I have to press the button to release it. It has a ball there, and then you have some information here. It's OWIM, Parkside, and it's hex 4. And then you get these sockets. I knew the name of this one. It's with the really many teeth. I've seen this in the car. Many screws like that. So that fits perfectly without any need for an adapter. Okay, I like that. And it also fits in this screwdriver type. This is more easier, like more straightforward. And it has this ball. You have to make sure you don't lose this ball. I don't know if you can find replacement parts for it, but OWIM, chrome vanadium, 6.3 millimeters. So that's how it fits. Pretty good. Then you have this adapter. Oh, it's here. Then you have this adapter where you can open and close in tight. You can open and close this in tight spaces. If you don't have space for any of these, you can use this tool. And then there is this adapter like that. Also extension. So you can have an extension for the socket, or even, where was it here? Even a longer extension like this. And I guess you could daisy chain them, and they would all fit into a super long extension like that. And then you have this swivel option. So this will allow the socket to move around. This is a really nice kit. I like this a lot. It has some really nice options, and I could use these adapters and the swivel kit with other screws, other sockets that I have from the other tools. This is the same style of 1/4 inch, and it's a ratchet. perfect. The biggest one for this style is size 13, so it's not very big. This type of screw is on the wheel hubs, but that one is much bigger. It's 25 or 30 even. So yeah, these are pretty useful for the car. It's a pretty good set, and also these are useful for really tight screws, especially the Torx ones. They will be pretty good. And with the adapters and the adjustable angles, that's pretty nice. It locks, you can unlock it, you can lock it and unlock it and open it, lock it, and like this. That's it. I think it's a pretty unique set of tools in this one. I don't have many of the tools here, and yeah, at some point I have to really stop buying tools. Thanks for watching.